Baby, I know the first scam is the deepest. When it comes to being scammed, I'm cursed.
Calling Internal Revenue Service, how may I help you?
Got a voicemail that there was 4 allegations against me or something. I didn't quite get the whole thing.
When did you receive the message from our department, sir?
Oh, gee, it was 11:22 on the machine.
Alright, sir. Did you receive the message from the same number which are calling me right now?
Yes.
Alright, sir. Did you receive any case file number?
Yeah, it was hard to understand. It was CP something. I couldn't get the whole thing.
Did you receive any case file number?
Not the whole thing. No, it was CP or DC and some numbers. I don't know what it was.
Alright, sir. In that case, can you help me with your full name and your mailing address, which is updated with the IRS, so that
Yep.
I can pull out your case file on my system? And I will let you know the reason behind this call, alright?
Okay. First name is Howie, Howie.
Howie, right?
Right. Last name is Feltersnach.
F-E-L
Ter
T-E-R
Sna
S-N-A, right?
S is in Sam.
Mm-hmm. And as
T
in Nancy.
yeah Atch. Howie Feltersnach.
S-N-A-C-T-H, right?
Right. Howie Feltersnach is my name.
Alright, sir, and can you verify me your mailing address, sir?
It's 2345 Calvin Street,
Calvin Street, right?
Calvin, Baltimore, Maryland,
Mm-hmm.
21201.
21201, right?
Yes.
Alright, sir, just hold the line for a moment, okay? Let me go ahead and pull up a case file on my system, and I'll be back to you, alright?
Okay.
Hello, sir, are you there?
Yeah, I'm here.
Alright, sir, thank you for holding the line. First of all, sir, I want you to write down my information, so can you please grab a pen and a piece of paper handy?
Okay, I got one here.
Alright, sir, first of all, write down my name. My name is Officer Sam Kruper.
Kruger?
No, that's Kruper, C-R-O-P-P-E-R, Kruper.
Oh, okay.
And write down my federal badge ID number.
Okay.
That is IRM 797156.
Okay.
Alright, and write down your case ID number. That is CP, C as in Charlie, P as in Papa,
Mm-hmm.
101 36 9827.
Okay.
You got it, sir?
Got it.
Alright, sir. We call it to find out your attorney's information that there are some legal
Perry
allegations
Mason.
and... I'm sorry?
Perry Mason, my attorney.
No, sir. We call it to find out your attorney's information that
Perry
there are some
Mason.
legal allegation and lawsuit had been filed against your name. You got it, sir?
I got
For
it, but
tax
yes,
fraud.
Perry Mason is my attorney. You asked who my attorney was.
Alright, so now before we go ahead, I would like to inform you that these lines are federally recorded and monitored by the IRS, local authority of your state, and by one patrolling officer, alright?
Patrolling officer.
So I would request you to listen very carefully and be honest, as this recording can be used as evidence in the courthouse in your favor or against you. So according to the file here in my system, there is an arrest warrant issued under your name, defrauding the taxes.
Arrest
You got it,
warrant.
sir?
I thought it was a lawsuit.
I'm sorry?
I thought it was a lawsuit. I didn't know there was a warrant.
Alright, sir, I'll just go ahead and read out the legal charges against your name, alright?
Okay, go ahead. Yeah.
Alright, so as part of the document, we have conducted a random audit on your tax file from the year 2010 to 2015, and we found that there is a miscalculation error and the tax that you filed doesn't match the tax record that we have. And there is an outstanding balance of $3,586.23, which you haven't paid even after sending you multiple notifications. So there is a
multiplication.
notification, that's what I'm saying.
Oh, okay.
So there is a reason for us to believe that you are trying to defraud the government intentionally. Hence, you have been charged with 4 serious allegations. Count 1, violation of federal tax regulation. Count 2, violation of Internal Revenue Code. Count 3, theft by deception. Count 4, willful misrepresentation of the information to the government organization. So these are the 4 serious allegations which have been placed on your name by Internal Revenue Service. So what this means is, according to the Internal Revenue Code 6331H, IRS will mark a lien on your assets and your properties, including your house and your cars. All your non-bank accounts will be frozen and confiscated, which means that IRS will recover your tax debt from the balance available in your bank account. You will not be able to access your bank account till the time it is frozen. Your social security number will be blacklisted, which means that you will not eligible for any government benefits in the future.
Well, that's what I get is Social Security.
I'm sorry?
I get Social Security. How can you cancel my Social Security? I don't understand.
Listen to me, sir. First of all, let me complete my part, okay? And after that, I will give you a fair enough chance to speak once I'm done, all right?
Okay.
All right. The credit reporting agencies will be notified about the tax fraud, and they are most likely to downgrade your credit rating. All your wages and benefits will be frozen, I'm sorry, by informing your employer and all the government bodies. If you have an exciting payment plan with the IRS, that it will stand terminate under the Section 30. Your passport will be seized, and if you belong to the country other than USA, then you run the risk of being deported, and a non-billable arrest warrant be issued under your name. So, sir, let me ask you this question. Did you do this intentionally, or was it by your honest mistake in filing the taxes?
I don't even know what I did.
I'm sorry?
I don't even know what I did.
Sir, who filed your taxes?
Ben and Jerry's.
I'm sorry?
Ben and Jerry's. It's an accounting firm.
All right, so in that case, I'm not sure if there is any option available, but let me go ahead and have a word with my senior officer who is handling your case, all right?
All right, okay.
If there is anything that can be done, but before I go ahead and do that, I want you to know that if given a chance to resolve this matter out of the courthouse, will you like to resolve it, or will you rather fight this case inside the courthouse against the IRS?
No, I don't want to go to the courthouse. I don't want to go there.
All right, sir, then just hold the line for a moment, okay? Let me transfer this call to my senior officer who is handling your case, all right?
All right, okay.
Thank you, sir.
Sorry for the delay and thanks for your patience.
Okay, yeah.
Is this Hovey I'm talking to?
Howie Feltersnatch, yes.
Yeah. Are we taking into consideration you want to resolve this case outside the courthouse? Is that correct?
Yeah, I don't want to go to court.
Yes. Okay, all right. Bye-bye. Stop
Oh.
calling here. I would really appreciate that.
Hey, you scamming fucker. You scamming fucker, I'll call you all fucking day. Hey, Ben Chode. Ben Chode.
Mother Chod.
Ben Kalodi.
Hey, Rendiga Bacha.
Would have given you all of my wallet, but there's someone who's torn it apart, and he's taken almost all